Hey guys, this is Scott with Everyday Home Repairs, and we're doing a little regular maintenance on the car today. So what I'm going to show you here is how to change out a cabin air filter on a 2015 Hyundai Sonata Limited with a 2.4 liter engine. This cabin air filter is pretty common across kind of 2015 through 2018, and I'm sure even beyond those year ranges. So what you'll start with is we'll just go ahead and open the glove box. If you have stuff in there, obviously clean it out. It'll make it a lot easier. And what we're going to do is remove these stops here. So all you have to do is just rotate the stops, and then they will pop out. You can set those on the floor mat. And there's one on each side. Pull that out. And then there's a little bracket out here that provides a little force when the glove box is opening. So you just press this, I'll show you this little tab up here, you just press it down and then you'll be able to pop that right out. And then your glove box will fully open. Then what you see is actually this back here is the plate that holds in the cabin air filter. So what you want to do is go over to this side, and you will just take this little clip and pull it. You can see my thumb there. Pull it to the left side, and then it's going to pop right out. And then that exposes the cabin air filter. So what we'll do is I just push my finger up top. You can deflect it a little bit, no problem. And then you pull that out. The top side, you can see airflow. Top side is going to be the dirty side. So if you're just checking this is what you're going to check to see if it needs to be changed. And that one does need to be changed. You can see quite a bit of grime and leaves and all sorts of good stuff. So it was doing its job, but now we need to swap it out. The one I got, I just ran down to AutoZone. You can get these online. You can get these from Hyundai themselves. And this one was about 20 bucks. I know you can get them on Amazon for cheaper than that, so I will put a link out there. So I'll just open that. Alright, so that is the new one. Remember, airflow was coming down. You can see there's a little bit more of a rim up top. So you just go ahead and fit that back in there. Should fit easily. Slide it back in. Make sure you got a good seat and everything's lined up. Once you do, then you'll take your bracket. Again, this will be the right hand side. Just put it's actually a plate, not a bracket. Put that back on, and then that's going to secure and make sure everything's sealed up. All right, so now we got that. Now we can go to back to putting the glove box in and putting these little stoppers in. So they kind of only go one way. You'll see two little 90 degrees here and one the other direction, so you can just line those up. And you do have to push the glove box up a little bit, and then that will seat, and then you just turn it, and then your glove box will not come down. So you can grab the other one. All right, same thing. Line that guy up. Again, you might need to push up just a little bit. Make sure I have it lined up correctly. There you go. Rotate that. And then really the last one is just to make sure this is hooked up again. And that is all there is to it. The dealer, an oil change shop might charge you 30, 35. I know ours was charging us 40 bucks. So that's a good way to save $20 or $25 on your cabin air filter. Thanks for joining.